The Special Needs Action Group says, despite its continuous efforts, very little has changed on the ground by way of the services and provision offered by government departments. It says there's a shortage of one-on-one therapy, saying this is due to a lack of therapists and a reluctance to employ therapy aides. It says it was hopeful that this issue would be resolved when the government announced plans to set up an NGO so that Gibraltar residents wouldn't need to go to Spain to access therapy, but that the NGO announced will not offer the same provision. SNAG reiterates its call for a further education centre catering to those with special educational needs. It also calls for the division of the St Bernadette Centre into a more age-appropriate facility. And the group says the provision of respite is also appalling, saying staff subcontracted from care companies are often not fully trained to provide care to children with disabilities. However, the government says in a meeting last week, SNAG's proposals were discussed at length, with a commitment from the government to give consideration to its plan in detail. It says the government has also committed itself to support the creation of new SEN facilities at the old St Martin's School site, to be run by the charity Possibilities. It says the care agency's community learning disability team have been actively working to improve the service, with staff specifically identified and trained for the respite team. The Minister for Equality, Samantha Sacramento, says there's been tremendous progress in the field of disabilities in the last 10 years, but that the government is continuously looking at ways to further improve services.